Jared.
Hey, Jared.
Oh. Don't do that. Don't do that. We want to look at Jared. Hi, honey. Do you want to say hi to the camera, Max?
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Oh, look. Look who's moving all over the place. Hi. Isn't he so cute? We're in Max's room, playing right before bedtime. Don't touch it, Max. Is he crawling on your bed? Max, can you give him a big hug?
Where?
Give him a big hug. Oh, he loves it when you give him hugs. Give him another hug and make him laugh. Oh, so cute. You bump your lip? Can you do a little dance for me? Oh, I like that dance. Max, can you show me how you skip? Good job. Do you want to say anything else to the camera before we say bye-bye?
Yeah.
What?
Cheese.
Cheese. Anything else?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
See you soon.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Jared, do you want to say anything else? Do you want to clap your hands? Clap, clap, clap. Yay! Whoa! Hey, you nut. You're a nut. You're a nut. Okay, bye.
What are you doing?
Oh.